maybe we don't need stress reduction as much as we need to understand our own mind. Now, when we start exploring the nature of our consciousness, we immediately find that mental and emotional states are always arising inseparable from the body and its sensations. And if we go a little further, we find that the body is inseparable from the biosphere of the earth and is affected continuously by its rhythms. And if we go deeper, we find that the sun and the moon are intimately connected to our physiology as well. And this affects our mind and thoughts. And this is why the ancient meditation and spiritual lineages have given us teachings such as life is the evolution of light into consciousness. And the seers and the mystics proclaimed realizations such as Aham Brahmasmi, I am the universe. So what happens if we discover that our thoughts are actually made of sunlight, literally, physiologically, metabolically, not metaphorically? Well, I'll give you a clue. It feels good and it's very stress reducing. Let's study this further and contemplate this profound dimension of our consciousness. On Sunday the 7th at noon Pacific time. I hope to see you there.